TV, we aim to get the best results from any film. We do this by using the latest film scanner technology and software at prices comparable to non-restored film transfers. Once your films arrive with us, they will be checked and cleaned. This gives us the opportunity to make any necessary repairs prior to scanning. Badly damaged films from projection can be further restored using our wet gate process, and this can produce quite remarkable results, such as this. Once scanned, your films are then run overnight so that digital restoration can take place. This includes stabilisation, grain reduction, additional dust and dirt removal, further improving the final result. During the final stage, we carry out colour and contrast adjustment. You then have the option of exporting to edit-ready files, or we can add titles and a music soundtrack to DVD, Blu-ray or MP4 formats for smart TV and tablet devices. Our technicians are highly skilled and passionate about the job they do, and will be happy to answer any of your questions. Get in touch on 0191 286 9800 or email us info@tvv.co.uk.